Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a shark. Let's start off by drawing a gentle curve like so for the back of the shark. Then, leave a blank space and continue the line all the way here. And make a sharp turn downward for the shark's nose. Add a slightly curved sideways V shape for the mouth. And continue the curve along the underside of the shark. Then, add a big bent V shape here for the first fin, one above the blank space on top of the dorsal fin, and a smaller one over here for the back fin. After that, continue the line from the underside of the shark out to the left, and bend downward like so to start the tail fin. Mirror that shape on top, then make them both turn inward, meeting at a point to finish it off. To the left of this fin, add 4 slightly curved vertical lines for the gills. For the teeth, draw a thin line across the open mouth like so. Then, a thin zigzag line for the sharp teeth. Next, draw a very thin wavy line that starts at the tip of the nose, goes to this fin, then continues on the other side to this smaller fin, and continues from the back to the base of the tail fin here. Lastly, draw a dot for the eye just above the thin line here, and a tiny slit on the tip of the nose for its nostrils. And now you've got a shark. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.